This is explaining how remote start works in simple terms and explaining what you need. So this is a 2017 Tundra. It has a chipped key, so we're going to need a part called a bypass, but I'll explain that in a second. It starts right here. You need this part, number one, the remote start brain. This controls everything, tells your car what we want it to do. This is a remote and an antenna. It plugs into this brain so it can communicate long distance range from a remote, and you can also do it from a phone as well. And this is the bypass module. This is what clones your key's code. We take this part here, we put it into the brain, and now the car thinks it has a key in it, allows it to start. The next step obviously is getting it professionally installed. That's what we do. Lifetime warranty on our installs. And this is a two-way system by Compustar. I'm going to show you how it works. The beep meant that it's going to start. That's the two-way confirmation. When it actually starts, the remote is going to start beeping at me to let me know it's actually running. And that's going to go for 25 minutes before it shuts off. These remotes work from like the TV section at Walmart or Target, pretty far in the back. But these are the three parts: the remote start brain, the remote and the antenna, and the bypass module.